Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to recover deleted messages in Telegram. So first, let's go to my messages and then make sure that we haven't saved the messages before. Now in order to save messages, long press the message and then click forward and then click saved messages at the top. And here you can see we saved the message. Now make sure it's not in here. If it's not in here, you can recover deleted messages by the undo button. Now let's say we deleted this conversation. We can click delete, and then here at the bottom, we have the undo button, and you can undo the deletion of the messages in just 5 seconds. Another method is to go to the upper left corner and click on the 3 lines, go to settings, go to data and storage, and then make sure everything here is enabled. We can also click storage usage and then make sure that auto remove cached media is all set to never. Now, we also have backup. In order to check if you have backup on, go to your settings and search for Telegram. Click on Telegram and then make sure the backup is on. You can just click more and then click sync now. And then that's it. You successfully recovered deleted messages in Telegram.